Okay, the Flatsons pedal can do all kinds of stuff. We have 4 different banks. We can save settings, save our parameters. That's all great. But let's hear the sounds. The sounds are the most important part to me. The first amp is the Twins. It sounds like this. That sounds really nice for a clean sound. I'll just hit this little arrow button next to the amp. Let's try number 2. It says UK, normal. Very classic sound. Number 3, it's the Mars VM412. Feels great to play through. There's absolutely no latency. There's a lot of dynamics I can pick lightly. A little more aggressive. So I like that one a lot. Let's go to number 4, Victor Mars. That sounds really nice too. Let's go to number 5, called the Brit Plexi. Let's go to number 6, Mars FD100. Scroll up, number 7, the Eagle Savage. The next one is 8, the Diesel High Gain. That sounds killer. Number 9, PVV 5150. Number 10, Fortin Cali. That sounds really nice too. Go to number 11, Mace MK Channel 2. Number 12, the Tweed. That sounded really great. Number 13, Bog V20. That sounds awesome. Number 14, Juice Jim. That sounds nice. Number 15, SUR SL68. Number 16, Arch On. KE 6505 is 17. Number 18, EMGL Powerball. That sounds killer. It's super comfortable to play through too. Number 19, JVM 900. That sounds nice. Number 20, Mesa Bug V. Keep in mind, you can adjust the gain, you can adjust the level, the bass, the mid, the treble. Let's go back to one that I really enjoyed, the PV 51050. So that's the amps. Keep in mind, you can change the cabs, double tap the cabs. You have a huge list of cabs you can change. All kinds of IRs. You could add reverb. Let's leave a little bit of that on. Let's add some delay. All kinds of different delays. Let's do an analog delay. Try it without the reverb. The modulation could have a phaser. Adjust the speed a little bit. Pretty radical. We could do a flanger. Adjust the speed a little bit. You can go out with this unit, run it to front of house, use monitors, and you got an amp, you got a cabinet. It's awesome. You can also use it like I am now. I'm going in and going right to my interface. Super great. Good job, Flatsons. The KE1.